Hey family, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Deshaun here, back at DTI Information Network, where we're helping you build out your personal credit so that you can get business credit and take advantage of the bank's products like their credit cards that offer reward points for you to travel around the world. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Navy Federal's digital investment product. And this product is another great tool to have, and something where if you are a beginner in learning how to invest can be very advantageous to you. If you are someone who already invests, then it can also be pretty helpful for you as well. They have this on their platform right now, and it is another one of the tools that you can take advantage of when you're building out your relationship with Navy Federal. We talk a lot about credit, and we talk a lot about real estate and that kind of thing. Rarely do we talk about investing in the stock market. And what I do like about Navy Federal is it gives you that option to partner with them and using their resources to help you do so. They're going to go. I'm going to go into talking about two of their ways that you can invest with them through Navy Federal. And I'm going to show you the website, and I'm going to show you where to go and how to utilize it. I think it's a great tool to be able to use, where you can take money straight from your account and invest it right into these particular IRA accounts. And so we're going to go deeper into that in just a minute. I do want to let you guys know that I do appreciate you for stopping by and listening once again and seeing how you can actually invest in yourself to get yourself better. We have a school group community, that's SKOOL community, where we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into this kind of conversation. This is not, I am not an accountant, and I'm not a tax professional. So this is for entertainment purposes only. And if you enjoy this kind of entertainment, then I highly recommend you join us. Also, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because we're going to be really going heavy on this channel. And I want you to make sure you catch every single one of the videos that we push out. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead on and get into this video, and I'll walk you through the digital investment tool that Navy Federal has to offer. Okay, family, here we are. We are back, and I am going to show you the digital investor tool for Navy Federal Investment Services. Now, you can go directly here to digitalinvestor.navyfederal. They are going to require you to sign in right here when you get here. You must be a Navy Federal member to take advantage of these services. And I'm going to go through everything that it has to offer right now. So they give you the option to be able to choose to make your own investments yourself. So I will let you know that it does not have a robust amount of options for you to be able to choose from, but there are some good options and very solid for someone who is a beginner and someone who is just a little bit above beginner. Okay. Then they also have right here where you can let someone else manage it for you, and it will be automated. Right. And the portfolio will be tailored towards your risk tolerance and what your goals are. So that could be an option for you as well if you want to learn how this whole thing works and just let somebody else do it. And then you can kind of watch what's happening and choose and make decisions and pivot from there. And if you're not sure, you can actually have someone help you. They'll sit there and they'll help you be able to compare the solutions side by side for you. So the first part, let's go into the self-directed. If you're doing it yourself, what's really great is they give you a free 30-day trial. That's where you don't have to pay any money to going ahead and getting started for this. So it's a free 30-day trial. You get to choose your own investments, and they have pre-built bundles for you. You're using ETFs, so you're going to use these exchange traded funds to be able to choose from, and you can buy whole, or you can even buy fractional shares. So this is a really great option as well. And it doesn't really matter what your experience level is. It's very simple to be able to find out where and how to choose from these. And then they have the automated version. This is the automated investment tool. Once again, this one is also 30-day free trial. You can just choose your goals, and it'll have a personalized. You can have a personalized portfolio just for you based on your risk tolerance. and you can have automatic rebalancing as well. And then you basically can you can have the money in your account just reoccurringly taken out, and you can put down as little as $1. So you can put down, if you're spending money on coffee every single day, or just think about some of the things you're spending money on. Instead of spending the money on that, just maybe put your money in an investment tool like this. It's little risk to get involved in this, and it'll be something that's also helping you build out your relationship with Navy Federal, the largest national credit union in the nation right now, and they offer really great products. So if you're looking to build out your relationship with Navy Federal, I highly recommend you take advantage of this option as well. Let's give you a little comparable side by side of self-directing and then the automated directing. Here, like I was mentioning before, you choose your own investments. You have a research tool to help you do so. They have real-time trading. It updates about every 15 minutes, just so that you know. And then they have fractional share investing, so you don't have to put all your eggs in one basket. You can buy a little bit of this stock and a little bit of that stock. And then over here, on the automated side, they will match your portfolio for you. They will also do automatic rebalancing for you. You have the ability to choose your plan based on your goals and if they change. And it's a diversified portfolio built from low-cost exchange-traded funds, the ETFs, which I mentioned a little bit before. Now, let's get into the cost. This is really great too. The cost is the same for each one. This one, it's only $3.50 per month. So that's it. You're only spending $3.50 per month to be able to allow them to be able to have this account for you. But if you are active military, they do give you a discount, and it ends up only being $2.50, right? And there's no minimum investment, as you can see right here as well. So that's a really great tool. And then in the self-directed one, they have 5,700 individual ETFs to choose from, pre-diversified or theme baskets, or build your own portfolio. And then over here on the automatic one, they will go ahead and build out your portfolio from the ETFs that they select. And they have personalized investments based on your goals and your profile, which we mentioned before. They have an integration with the Navy Federal Credit Union mobile app, which is great, and they're available from 8 to 8. And like I said, one of the features I do like is that from your actual account, you can actually transfer money right into these as well. So let's get into a little bit about the different types of IRAs that they have. They also have these IRAs, and I think this is important to discuss. You can do the traditional IRA, or you can do the Roth IRA. The difference between these two are the traditional IRA is tax deductible, and it lowers your taxable income per year. There is a minimum a maximum amount that you can put in every year. You're going to want to do some research and seeing what that is now, because it does update frequently, and it's tax deferred. So that means you're not going to get taxed on it right now. And then they have the Roth IRA, and that Roth IRA is after taxes. So you're putting your money in here after taxes, and it's not tax deductible. So let's get into that in just a second here. So the different IRAs they have, which I mentioned was the Roth and the traditional, you can actually roll over a Roth that you already have from another account and put it into this account. Or if you have a 401k, you can do that as well with this particular account. And I really, really think this is a really great tool for you guys to be able to use, especially if it's something that you've never got into before and you want to learn and start familiarizing yourself. Definitely take advantage of this tool. Like I said, it's only $1 to be able to contribute to. That's all you have to put in, and it only costs you $3.50 every single month, but you need to start now. We have to acquire assets. It's very important right now that you acquire assets. The people who have assets when we're in this market are going to be the people who win. The people who don't are going to be the people who lose. Right now, we are in a market where our dollar is losing value every single day. You cannot leave your money in the bank, you guys. Do not leave your money in the bank sitting there. It's actually depreciating and it's losing value. You need to put your money in an asset that is cash flowing. And if you do not know how to invest in the stock market, this is a great tool for you to be able to use, especially if you have Navy Federal. If you don't have Navy Federal, I have a video in showing you how you can become a member in Navy Federal. I highly recommend you look back at some of those videos there. I think this is a great tool that's going to be able to help you be able to do that. So go into this account and look through here. They have a lot of information to be able to help guide you. I'm in the frequently asked questions right now, and you can see it's going to ask you what is the contribution limit that you can get into, what are the transfer rules. It has all this information in here for you to kind of just peek through, but I just wanted to give you guys an overview and let you know that this is an option for you. I highly recommend that you start acquiring assets now, whether it's in real estate, whether it's in the stock market, whatever it is, get these assets, because it's going to be the people who have assets who are actually going to win, and the people who don't are the ones going to be losing and crying about it. So get focused and start getting your assets together now. Now, if you want to learn more about this kind of information, you want to go deep into learning about the stock market, deep into learning about Bitcoin and those kinds of things, we are going to be having conversations like those in our school group community. That's SKOOL. The link is in the description below. I highly recommend you guys join and get a part around people that are talking and having this kind of conversation. You need to be having these kind of conversations. If you're not, I'm telling you, you're going to get left behind in the next 10 years, and you do not want that to be you. All right. So I'm here to guide you and get you some of the information that's out here and try to let you know that there's a network of people out here that want to be able to build with you. Get your mind right. All right. And also hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we want to be able to continue to give you information like this that's out there. I don't hear a lot of people talking about this particular a resource that Navy Federal has in their bucket, and I think that it's something that it's not as sexy as what everybody would probably like to talk about, but it is a must. And I want the best for you all. So please, please, please get yourself educated. And I will see you guys on the other side over in school, or I'll see you on my next video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Peace.